My chestnuts are wilting and turning yellow. Some limbs have died and dropped leaves. What is going on? I planted these blight-resistant chestnuts 15 years ago, and they produced nuts for about 4 years. This is Hoop Gibson 70 on YouTube. Oh, wow. So chestnuts,
yeah.
Right? Cool.
American chestnuts. I know they're trying very hard to get American chestnuts to be revived here back in the United States.
With
well,
any success with doing that?
Yes and no.
Oh, okay.
The fact that he had it 15 years,
15 years,
and it actually produced for 4 years, that's wonderful. They talk about regeneration in the forest of chestnut trees. They will grow to be 20, 25 feet tall and then succumb to the chestnut blight yet again. Mm-hmm. And that's, it says blight resistant, it's not blight proof. And so that's the problem here. It probably did catch the blight, and that's probably what's affecting it.
So you think it's the blight?
Yeah,
okay.
Most likely.
Most likely. Okay. Can I throw in something else?
Sure, go ahead.
Wilting. You know what I think when I hear wilting?
Some from vascular
problem.
Verticillium
wilt, which is vascular disease, right?
It could be. Yeah. It could be.
Just wonder, picture would help, but yeah, when I hear wilting, it's the first thing I think about. Mm-hmm. It's vascular diseases, and I know verticillium wilt, could be an issue with chestnut. Yeah. So something to think about.
But yeah, limbs have died and dropped leaves. Yeah, yeah. And wilting and turning yellow. Yeah.
Right.
It could be either one of those because they're all vascular diseases.
And usually with the vascular diseases, the roots can't transport water to the upper canopy of the tree, to the leaves. So you get wilting of leaves, you get dead branches.
Dead branches, yeah.
Could be. All right, Hoop Gibson 70. Did a good job, 15 years.
Oh man, that's good. Yeah. And I wouldn't discourage him from trying again and get another one and try again somewhere else, not exactly in that spot, but a little further away, and see if you can't get that to grow again, because they're producing resistant varieties all the time and improving on them. So I'm sure from 15 years ago they have a more improved variety now again. Sure. So I would try that.
Sure. But in the meantime, I would prune out those dead limbs, as much as possible. Keep it watered, fertilized, just keep it comfortable as possible. Mm-hmm. All right. And we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.